cool, very cool. Hey, another chest. Let's see what's inside of this one. An ancient coin. I'm assuming we should be collecting some of these, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it and add it to my inventory. Let's look around. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get across this anytime soon. Oh, poor guy. I think he was waiting here for who God knows how long. Let's look around. And let's go ahead and read these signs. It says, number 2, use Python to build a bridge across the lava. Stand on the emerald block once again. And look, there's another clue for us. It says mc.setBlock with an S this time, set blocks. So it's plural because it looks like we're not going to be setting just one block like before, but we're actually going to be setting multiple blocks so we can build a huge bridge to get across this lava. So let's go ahead and just kind of stand on that emerald block like it told us to. And let's jump back to our Notepad++ editor. And here we go. And there it is. Now, we still have our code, our existing code from when we did our first program, the step block. Now, the cool thing about writing code for Python or code in general is anytime you're modifying code, you don't need to rewrite all the code. A lot of students think you have to delete the whole thing and start typing from scratch again. You actually don't. You want to keep as much code as you can because you want to be efficient with your time, because what coding is really solving problems. So being coders, we want to make sure we are efficient with our time, and our main goal is to solve a problem, and we want to solve it as fast as we can. We don't want to rewrite something for another 10 minutes that would just took us, another 10 minutes before that. So we're going to reuse as much code as we can. So the first thing we want to modify is probably this hashtag. Since we're going to be using a different comment, or we're going to be doing a different code, let's write block bridge. Now you guys are more than welcome to type whatever you like in there as your own code, because that's a reference for you, the coder, to read. Now we have next lines. We're going to keep our imports. We are still importing lines of code. We're going to keep our variable MC equals Minecraft because we're still going to create objects in Minecraft. Our player position doesn't change. We're still using our X, Y, and Z coordinates for the player. Now the only thing that's going to be different is this last line right here, our MC set block. Now it's not going to be too different, but I'll explain why. First, we have MC set block, and you'll notice we gave it one set of X, Y, X, Y, and Z with the -1, and then the block ID. Now the difference between that and MC set block, which I'll show you here as an example, MC set blocks with an S, is this one's actually expecting multiple X, Y, Z's. It's expecting an X, a Y, a Z, and guess what? It's expecting a whole second set of them, another X, Y, and Z, followed by the block ID, or just the ID. Now, what this does, it doesn't mean it's just going to set only 2 blocks in the world of Minecraft, because Minecraft is a 3D game. It's going to set 2 blocks at 2 separate locations and then fill those blocks in between using math. Python does that for us. So, with that being said, I'm going to show you guys. Now, first we kind of have to figure out what we're going to modify from our existing code. So let's add the S on the MC set block. And looks like we need to obviously modify our first block where we're going to be placed. So let's go ahead and jump in Minecraft and check it out. Now, since Minecraft is a 3D game, we have 3 different coordinates. We have our X, our Y, and our Z axis. Now, from our earlier code, we did learn that our Z axis is moving in this direction, -1. So if I jump back in, obviously I still want to move in this direction, so it's going to be a negative number on the Z axis. Now, that also depends which way you're looking. X and Y and Z can be either on your left or right, or forward, back. Now, the only one that doesn't change fundamentally is the Y axis. It always runs up and down regardless of which way I'm looking in Minecraft. So that one I can always use almost as a building block or a foundation to know where I'm going to be placing my blocks. So I kind of want to place it kind of below me right here, flush against the emerald, and one in front of me. So let's go ahead and modify our first code for the first block. And there it is. And let's go ahead. So we're going to say we wanted -1. And our Z axis already had 1, so we'll leave that there. Now for the second block, we kind of want it in the opposite corner where it's going to go, kind of right over there. So that way, let's go ahead and give a count how many blocks away that is. And I believe that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, I believe that's on the positive field. I can always double check. If you press F3, you can see which direction you're moving. And that is a positive number on the X. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks this way. And I'm going to take a guess of 7 blocks, -7 blocks on the Z that way, just so it hits flush. So let's go ahead and stand here. And let's try to add our second coordinates. So I'm going to go right in between the block and the comma and add the second set. I'm going to type player pos dot x x plus 4. There we go. And then we have, let's move it over a little bit so we can see it better. we have our second y, which is player position dot y minus 1, followed by our last z, which is player position player position dot z minus 7, since we want it 7 blocks away, and don't forget the comma. So now if I quickly look at it, if I actually highlight the word player position, it will glow all of them for me. And you can notice I have our 3 sets, our first set x, y, and z here, and we should be followed by another 3 set x, y, and z, followed by the same gold block. We'll be using gold block a lot, so we can always almost never change that for now. So now that I think my code is ready, I don't see any issues that would arise. Let's go ahead and save our code. And jump back into Minecraft. And let's pray for the best. So we're going to type our / command, and we're going to type Python MC. Here we go. Ooh, perfect. Check that out. Right on the money. Perfect in the corner. As you can see, I use MC set blocks to place multiple bridge. And what Python did is it placed a block here, and I placed a block right here, and it used math just kind of to round it off and to perfectly fill in all the blocks in between. So let's go ahead and move forward. Let's see what we find.